Parfums de Marley Layton. Just get it already. A few months ago I reviewed Layton Exclusif, and now I finally got my hands on Layton the original, and I can easily say, or I can easily tell, why this is by far Parfums de Marley's most sold fragrance. It's a masterpiece. It's the Creed Aventus, to say the least, even though this is... I'm not going to compare it to Creed Aventus because this is eons better. But this is, the house of Parfums de Marley in one word is Layton. It's bold, sexy, unique. It's easy to pull off, compliment getter, any season, any occasion, long lasting, powerful, a jack of all trades, a signature scent. If you only want to buy one niche, expensive fragrance, you get Layton, you are set for life. There's nothing else to say really. It's really just that fantastic of a scent, that versatile of a scent. And honestly, it's great for anyone who is just looking for a dumb reach, a scent that is not going to overcomplicate things, and it's just going to work wherever they go, whatever they wear, whomever they're with, and for whatever activity they're doing. That rolled off pretty well. Okay, I'll go over the notes and then give you my impressions. So, Layton by Parfums de Marley is an amber floral fragrance for women and men. Layton was launched in 2016. The nose behind this fragrance is Hamid Merati Kashami. Top notes are apple, lavender, bergamot, and mandarin orange. Middle notes are geranium, violet, and jasmine. Base notes are vanilla, cardamom, sandalwood, pepper, patchouli, and gaiac wood. So, I wore this today in the office, and it's still on my hand. Now 14 hours later, I can still smell in my hand that sweet, sexy, woody dry down. So I'll just reapply here, get that opening. That apple note is so unique, it's really nice. But bright apple, slightly citrusy with some lavender opening. This is not offensive, this is not overpowering, it still sits relatively close to the skin. I believe this is an EDP. So totally cool for office use, professional setting. This is not a vanilla bomb or a spicy oriental fragrance. This is also very professional, very clean. But some unique notes like apple, mandarin orange. It's got quite a bit of floral notes, so lavender, violet, jasmine, but this doesn't come off as overly feminine. It's well mixed with some of the woody notes, the spices, the green patchouli. This is definitely a unisex scent, but doesn't lean overly masculine or feminine. Both genders could easily pull this off. But yeah, fantastic performance. Over 14 hours of longevity. Starts off with a fresh, citrusy, apple, slightly floral opening. You get more of those floral notes through the mid with the lavender and the violet. And then as this dries down, this comes a little bit more sexy, sweet, seductive scent. It's perfect. You put it on in the morning, and by nighttime for your date, you're ready because it still smells sexy and sweet and warm and inviting. So it's a fantastic all-day scent. I just can't get enough of it. But yeah, it really dries down. I'd say the dry down tends to be a little bit more masculine just because of the vanilla and the woods. Again, very sexy, very warm, seductive, inviting. It's captivating, great for those close encounters. And overall, just a pleasant scent throughout the day to be around. It's never a scent trail that you could get tired of or other people could be annoyed with. It's not like you smell one note throughout the entire life cycle. The fragrance, this is just a beautiful transition from open to base, and the notes, they work harmoniously together. It's a very nice creation, beautifully blended. Nothing stands out annoyingly. There's just the opening starts to fresh with some florals, and then those florals go down through the mid and the base, and you get that nice warm wood with the sweetness of the vanilla. Just a fabulous creation. 12 stars out of 10. Yeah, I guess you know, I love I love reviewing these fragrances because it makes it really easy. It's that good. It's hard to poke holes at this or knock it in any shape or form. You know, like I said, if you can afford it, this is a fantastic signature scent that you can wear year-round for any occasion, all day, every day. And otherwise, I have more Parfums de Marly on the way. I think I have Herod and Wajan as well, so stay tuned for those. I can't wait to try them out because this house is proving to be one of my favorite niche houses. So, and every creation so far has been a stellar fragrance. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one.